Good afternoon. So today I wanted to just start out the conversation with what we're doing at Fridays. So as Lauren mentioned, I'm Chris Hansen. I'm the Senior Digital Director at Fridays. I've been at Fridays for about 3 years, overseeing customer experience, and most recently all of digital at Fridays. And so when we think about creepy versus personalization versus all the things that we're trying to do, right? You can't start anywhere with AI without data, with a ton of data. We're an old company, 65 years plus. And so when we think about that, we think about all of our customers who've come in, done dining with us online, offline, in stores. And so, what we know about our customers starts to come clear when we talk about all the data we get, right? So here I'm showing, an example of, let's just call it me, right? Here's my habits at Fridays, right? I eat out a lot. I like Buffalo Wild Wings, or Buffalo Wild Wings, wrong, sorry brand. Boneless wings, mozzarella sticks, ribs. But if you look at this, there's a trend, right? And the first thing we have to do when we think about our data and cleansing it and all the different things around AI is, let's make sure it makes sense, and let's identify a problem that we have. And so I order a lot on Friday for Fridays. And when we think about that and we start to look at what we're going to do to personalize and really help our customers from an experience perspective, we start to see, things that we can do, right? That on Fridays around 6 o'clock, you always order boneless wings. Not always, but most of the time. And so what does that do for us? What kind of interaction can we create from a customer perspective that will allow me to better personalize your experience? And so I see it Friday, 6 o'clock, boneless wings, and the following Friday, I get a text message. I get some kind of communication that says, hey, now my name's not Gretchen, but Gretchen, it's Friday. How about an order of boneless wings to get started? And of course, we go back and forth. You read my mind. Yeah, let's do this. This is just one example of how at Fridays we're taking technology and using the data that we have to make something a little bit more personable, but also aligning all of those things with our KPIs, right? You can't do much of this unless you look at it from I have a very customer-focused lens based off my background, but identifying a problem, tying it to our business goals, and then finding how the technology will help me solve that problem. So we've been doing this on and off. There's obviously a past, present, and future kind of thought process when it comes to all this technology. These are some of the things we've done in the past. Some of this is very much futuristic and some is present, but just to give you a little bit of context with the technology, using AI and using machine learning and taking our data, we have obviously seen tremendous opportunity and growth, right? 500% increase in guest engagement on social, using bots, using different opportunities there. Online revenue, so I oversee majority of that. How do we really grow that from a perspective of reordering and other opportunities? Open rates in email, right? So all of the data that we're taking, we're using to parse through it, find the segments that we can, do the testing, and really grow our results time over time, so or year over year. So that's a little bit about what we're doing at Fridays. I'm going to have a seat and see what's next.
Thank you. Thanks so much, Chris.